Hi there, my name is Nova Rose. I am an EFT and advanced energy practitioner, and I help parents of ASD kids to release stress and feel calm as often as possible. And this is just a short video of a way that you can use EFT, which is tapping, again for when your child has had a really tough day, or they're really going through something, or there's, you know what it's like because you're going through it. I'm the same with my children. I go through it, and sometimes your heart breaks for them, and you're just like, oh man, how are they going to get through this? Or it can be tough. It can be a tough gig, I know. And sometimes you just want to make it better for them. And there is a way energetically that you can do that using EFT while they're asleep, so that it's just like a warm comfort blanket for them. Okay. Now, also, when you are doing something to help your child in the highest and best way, you do not need their actual conscious permission, although you are more than welcome to get that as well. But if you are their parent, and especially when they're younger, and you are working for their highest good, then it will be accepted. Okay, you can always ask for their higher self to just, if you really want permission, just close your eyes, talk to their higher self of the name. Is it okay if I do this? You'll never ever get a no, ever. If you do feel like you get a no, that's probably just your own issues around it coming up. Okay. But if you're more comfortable, then while they're still awake, say, is it okay if mummy does some comforting energy work or something? I usually say something like that, like, mummy's going to do some tapping on you tonight when you're asleep. Is that okay? And they always go, oh, okay, fine, like that. But it's like, oh, that's okay, that's permission. So, yeah. You can, but you don't have to. Don't feel like you're doing the wrong thing if you don't get permission. You are a parent helping your child, and if it is in the best interest and in the highest and best way, it is okay. Okay. But this is just a super beautiful, gentle thing for you and your child when they are doing it tough, and there are just those tough times. And all you need to do is just sit with them, either when they're falling asleep or when they're asleep. Just be close to them. If you're cuddling is great. Otherwise, have a hand on them somewhere. Just have some contact somewhere. And just use the tapping points, the normal tapping points. But all you're going to do is all in your mind, super quiet. You're just going to touch on the points. You can either do it on yourself or on the child. It's entirely up to you on what the situation is. I'll just do it on me for now. And on each point, just take a few breaths so you keep your eyes closed. And as you're doing it, just imagine that you're taking away what's upsetting your child, or the problems that you guys are having at the moment. Just imagine it all lifting up and just disappearing out the top of your hand. You might want to say words like release, release, release. And then move to the next point on the side of the eyebrows. You might want just a bit of gentle pressure with one finger or two fingers, it doesn't matter. Breathe in and out. Just release. And then side of the eye. Just release. And then you might want to start adding in, it's all going to be okay. This will pass. It'll all be okay. Under the eye. It'll all be okay. Under the nose. Just release. It's all going to be okay. I love you. I love you. Just release. And just do the face points. You can do the collarbone if you can reach it, but that's okay. And even if you have to skip some of these points because of the way they're laying, that's totally fine. You can't get this wrong. but you're holding the intention of all the schmozzle of crap that's going on, that you're releasing it. Imagine it going all the way up to heaven, the universe, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't matter what you call it, but past the clouds, okay? Like physically imagine it going up and away from your house, and as it goes up, it's dissolved and completely dissolved into just light. So you can use that to just gently connect with your child on an energetic level when they're asleep, or when you're having cozy cuddle time or whatever, and it just will center your child, bring them back into a space of calm, I guess, and a lot of it, they'll bring them back into a space of calm, and a lot of it may be unconscious, but if you keep doing it, you will start to notice a difference. So I recommend that you do it every night and make it part of your routine. And then if you can, move to doing it when your child's awake as well, just the slow, gentle breathing, then they will come to love it. So it's very, very powerful. I do it with my children most nights, although I am moving more towards doing it when they're awake, because I want them to, as they get older, move towards being able to use energy healing themselves, so that when they're stressed and everything themselves, they've got their tools to help themselves. All right, well, let's leave it there because the video is already 3 minutes longer than what I was hoping for, but thank you for watching it to the end. I appreciate it very much. And you are an amazing, amazing parent, even for watching this. I am so proud of you, because there are a lot of parents out there that just want to whinge and complain about their kids and tell everyone how stressed they are, and they're not doing anything about it. And you are. So you're special, you're amazing, and your child is special and amazing too. And just thank you for being here. You're amazing. And I will see you soon. Bye-bye.